Welcome back to the Lakescape Living Podcast. I'm Dave McGirt, owner of Lakescape, and talking about something that's super critical for your lakeside living, which is a maintenance checklist that you want to go through every year at the beginning and at the end of the year. Owning a lakefront property is a dream, but it's also a responsibility. Regular maintenance is really critical for you to protect that investment that you have and also prevent repairs that creep up on you in the future. So what should you focus on? We broke it down into 3 critical areas that you want to look at. First, marine structures, your dock, boat lifts, and seawalls. These are your property's frontline defense against the elements. Check for loose boards, corrosion on your lifts, frayed cables, any roof damage, and don't forget your seawall after storms and wave action all season long. Addressing these small issues early keeps your waterfront safe and functional. Second, your landscape. Start with keeping that irrigation system running efficiently so you can preserve the sod and healthy trees in your yard. Trim back any overgrowth. Check the retaining walls or patios for crack and erosion. A well-maintained landscape not only looks great, but it also prevents damage to your shoreline. Third, electrical and lighting. Dock wiring, outdoor lighting, and generators are key for safety and convenience. You want to make sure you inspect all the wiring and fixtures regularly for wear and damage, especially after a storm. Schedule an annual generator service to ensure it's ready when you need it most. Now, maintenance is not a one-time thing. It's seasonal. Starting in the spring, you want to prepare your dock and landscape for heavy use. So we're going to clean off all the winter storm debris, test all the electrical systems. Then in the summer, we're going to keep an eye on the irrigation, make sure there's not any heat-related issues in the yard. In the fall, you're going to start to winterize your dock, your boats, your irrigation system. And finally, in the winter, you're going to want to visit and double-check that you don't have any issues with a water heater or any leaks around the house. And if you're not comfortable doing any of these inspections or maintenance, obviously Lakescape is here year-round. Can be happy to take care of those so you can actually enjoy your lake place and not make it your second job. So there you have it, the ultimate checklist for keeping your lakefront beautiful, safe, and ready year-round. For more tips and expert help, visit us at lakescape.com or keep an eye out for a new podcast for more information.